Hi, in today's video you will learn how to paint a furry, fluffy animal. Welcome to my channel, I'm so happy to see you. I'm 𝐈𝐌𝐏𝐻𝐎 and I'm here to show you the professional way how to reflect objects on your paintings. Now you'd probably ask yourself, do I have to paint each hair to make the animal look fluffy and furry? Of course you don't. I know it looks scary, for me it was unimaginable at the beginning. I must say, painting animals requires a lot of practice to know where exactly can you paint hair and where it's not so necessary. My first painting of an animal was my little Josh, here, this guy. And as you can see, he's a little bit flat, especially from the nose side. I tried to make some shadows here, but here he's quite flat. I will put also the picture here somewhere. And as you can see, I focused on the hair and not to make him dimensional. Beginner's mistake. But as I've mentioned in my videos before, paint and draw everything upside down, and when it comes to your furry friend, I promise you he will look alive, like coming from the painting to you. For now, just observe how I manage that cute little body. Watch it a few times, 10 times if you have to, because observation is the best way how to learn how to paint. That's how, at least, I'm learning still too. Now let's do it together, shall we? At first, try to make your own guidelines. How far are legs from each other? Where's the leg behind? Where is his nose looking at his back leg? What is the line from his nose to its ear? Are his eyes on that line somewhere? Now the background. Wet the area which you wish to be blurred, omitting the sketch of our hedgehog. With watercolors, timing is crucial. Try to do everything quickly, putting the paint soon after putting some water. The background is the darkest under the guy, so while the paper is still wet, put some black mixed with blue and a bit brown. Now, while filling the body with some soft colors, leave a blank, thin border around the figure to keep him dimensional. Even in the darkest areas, there's always some light, and it's better to change it later than make it too dark at the beginning. Ha! I win the bottle, losers. Pay attention to how I'm holding the brush here. And look where I've made some fur and where I didn't. What is mostly contrasting on the picture will need some fur, but in the shadows, I didn't do it. Also, in the lightest part, I skipped it. Make his nose and eyes the most contrasting. They have to have the darkest colors and the lightest. Do it with every animal you paint, always. Even if the nose looks completely dark on the picture, you have to leave it very light with very dark nostrils, for example. It will look dark anyway. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this cutie grow, and I'm super looking forward to your own versions on my email. Okay, I hope you liked the video, and if you'd like to see some more, I will post some links at the end of the video somewhere here. And if you like my art, I post a lot of Instagram and on Facebook. And remember, by just watching tutorials, you learn a lot. That's how I learned. That's how everybody learns these days, because it's faster and you see everything step by step. It's the best. So I won't say bye-bye. I'll say see you later.